recording. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth?
Yes.
You may take your seat.
And please introduce yourself and spell your name.
Joanne Maltese, Joanne, and Maltese, Maltese.
How are you employed, ma'am?
Retired Tallahassee Police Forensics Specialist. I now have some businesses in Thomasville, Georgia.
How long were you with TPD?
I was TPD for 26 years.
And were you with them back in 2014?
Yes, I was.
What were your duties back in 2014?
In 2014, I was a forensic specialist, and my primary duties were the documentation, collection, and preservation of evidence at a crime scene.
And what training and education did you receive to do that type of duty?
At the time, I had over 1,500 hours of specific crime scene training to include photography, collection, DNA fingerprints, as well as I taught at Pat Thomas Law Enforcement Academy in crime scene, as well as teaching at the police department.
Did you respond to 2116 Trescott Drive on July 18th, 2014?
Yes, I did.
And is that the scene that's shown in the photograph, states 10, that's up on the screen right now?
Yes, it is, inside the garage.
All right, and is that residence here in Leon County?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm gonna ask to introduce at this time, Your Honor, states 11 through 17.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Case 11 through 17 are admitted at this time.
All right, so did you photograph this vehicle as part of your duties?
Yes, I did.
All right, so may I publish states 11?
You may.
All right, just if you'll just kind of walk us through these photos and what we're looking at in
This-
states 11.
This photo is the rear passenger area showing children's shoes and car seats.
All right, were the kids present when you were working the crime scene?
No, they were not.
States Exhibit 12, please. What is this a photograph of?
It's a piece of broken eyeglass that was on the floor of the garage.
And how was the eyeglass broken, if you know?
The opticals or the lenses were located still inside of the vehicle. Just half of the eyeglass was outside, and there is damage to the nose piece of the eyeglass.
Potentially consistent with the bullet causing the damage to the glasses?
It would be consistent.
All right, States Exhibit 13, please. What is this show?
This is the optical or the lens of a pair of glasses located on the floorboard of the vehicle in the driver's compartment.
States Exhibit 14. What is this?
It's going to be a wallet found in the glove box of the vehicle.
Was the glove box open or shut when you arrived on scene?
It was closed.
All right, States Exhibit 15. Did it appear that the box had been rifled through or that any items had been taken from the wallet?
No.
States Exhibit 16. What does this show?
This is going to be the driver's side door window, the driver's door window, with a hole in the glass.
Consistent with a bullet hole?
Yes, it would be.
States Exhibit 17. What does this show?
This is another photograph from a different angle of the same hole in the window that would be consistent with a bullet hole.
And did you collect some physical items of evidence from the photographs that we've just looked at?
Yes, I did.
Show you some of those. Start with States Exhibit 115. Do you recognize 115?
Yes.
What is 115?
It's going to be the eyeglass frame that was from the passenger floorboard, the front passenger floorboard in the vehicle.
And States Exhibit 116, what is that one?
116 is going to be the other side of the eyeglass frame that was on the garage floor.
May I publish? I'm sorry, I'd like to introduce 116 and 117.
Any objection? Or you could.
No objection.
Correction for the record, Your Honor, 115 and 116.
States 115 and 116 are admitted at this time.
117. Do you recognize 117?
Yes.
What is that?
It's going to be the lens or the optical located on the front driver's floorboard in the vehicle.
And what about 118?
118 is going to be a piece of the other lens or eye optical from the glasses that were on the front driver's seat.
Are those in the same or substantially the same condition as when you impounded them?
Yes.
Judge, I'd move into evidence 117 and 118.
Any objection?
No objection.
States 117 and 118 are admitted at this time.
And then 119, if you could tell us what that is, please.
119 is going to be the wallet and its contents, other than the cash that I had to take out. It was located in the glove box.
And that item in the same or substantially the same condition as well?
Yes.
And move into evidence states 119, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection.
119 is admitted.
May I publish?
You may.
And whose driver's license was in the wallet states exhibit 119?
Daniel Markel.
Showing you states exhibit 120. Do you recognize this item?
Yes, I do.
What is this item?
It's going to be the actual glass from the driver's door.
And how were you able to remove the glass and package it in this way?
Due to the glass being broken, I used clear tape and lined the entire inside and outside of the glass prior to taking it out so it would stay together.
Is it in the same condition as when you impounded it that day?
Yes.
Judge moving in evidence states 120.
Any objection?
No objection.
States 120 is admitted.
May I publish?
You may.
So which way does it go? The photo's up there if that helps. Oh, excuse me.
All right, this is going to be the inside that you're looking at, and
So in reference to the
So-
picture like this.
yes, it would be in that reference.
Next, I'm showing you states exhibit 121. Do you know what this item is?
Yes.
What is that item?
This item is a fragment of glass that was taken off of Mr. Markel's face at the hospital.
Did you respond to the hospital?
Yes, I did.
What were your duties at the hospital?
I arrived at the hospital to document the condition, collect clothing, swabs, and any evidence from Mr. Markel.
All right, as part of that, did you photograph Mr. Markel in the hospital?
Yes, I did.
All right, moving to evidence states 22, 23, and 24, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
States 22, 23, and 24 are admitted.
Wait. One moment, please, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, at this time I'd ask to publish states 22.
You may.
Can you rotate it, please, so that he's... Anyway. This was the condition Mr. Markel was in at the hospital?
Yes.
How long after you arrived at the scene, the crime scene, were these photos taken at the hospital, if you know?
The crime scene arrived at around 11:30 in the morning, and then these photos would have been taken around 12:30, so an hour later.
And Mr. Markel was still alive at that time?
Yes.
Please publish states 23. Why did you take this photo?
This photo, I'm documenting a dark area on his forearm, which is consistent with stippling.
And are you referring to this area here in the photo?
Yes.
And what is stippling?
Stippling is when you're in close contact or close area of a gunshot blast or a gun going off, and the gunpowder that is exiting from the gun comes out at a high speed and it will stain or tattoo your skin.
All right, so the indication is potentially a close proximity of the muzzle of the firearm at the time of firing.
Yes.
All right. Publishing States Exhibit 24. Is this a close-up of that stippling that you described?
Yes.
All right. And once Mr. Markel was pronounced deceased, did you go to the autopsy?
No, I did not.
I have a couple other photos to show you in reference to your work on this case. This is 18 through 21. Do you recognize these photos?
Yes, I do.
And what are these photos of?
These photos were taken at the Tallahassee Police Department. I was requested to document a vehicle there.
All right, what type of vehicle was that?
It was a 2007 Honda Odyssey van.
All right, and was that Wendy Adelson's vehicle?
Yes, it was.
All right, move to introduce 18 through 21, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection.
States 18 through 21 are admitted.
May I publish?
You may.
All right, publish 18, please. All right, this is just the exterior of the vehicle.
Yes.
Okay, 19, please. All right, next photo, 20. Was this a receipt from a purchase that was made the day of the homicide?
Yes.
Okay, you just photographed that there inside the vehicle.
Yes, I did. The front passenger seat.
All right, next photo, 21. Is that a close-up of the receipt?
Yes, it is.
And where was the purchase made?
The purchase was made at ABC Fine Wine and Spirits.
And what date and time was the purchase made?
7/18 of 2014 at 12:49 p.m.
Okay. No further questions.
Cross-examination.
Very briefly. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
When you arrived on the scene, it was taped off, correct?
Yes, it was.
And the tape was approximately 5 or 6 properties to either side?
Correct.
So either side of the residence, right?
Yes.
Now, going back to Exhibit 20, can I put Exhibit 20 on the screen? Show me what button. This is a picture that you took.
Yes.
And it's a picture of Bullet whiskey. Is that right?
Bullet Rye whiskey. Yes.
Is there a reason why you took this picture?
I was requested to take a photo of it.
Who requested you to take it?
Investigators that were there with me. And I would have also photographed everything in the vehicle.
And this came out of Wendy Adelson's car?
Yes.
Are you aware that Wendy Adelson was invited to a party where she was asked to bring Bullet bourbon, Bullet whiskey?
No, I was not.
You didn't try to do investigation into that?
I do crime scene. I'm not an investigator.
Now, going to Exhibit 21. Put me around.
Sorry.
This is so far away. This is, okay. Going to 21, can you tell when the purchase occurred at ABC?
When it occurred?
Yeah, what time?
According to the receipt, it's 12:49 and 13 seconds.
Okay, and you see that right under the words regular sale?
Yes.
I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Get ready to examination.
No, Your Honor.
Is the witness released?
Yes.
Have a good day.